Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Mindray product, a lipids calibrator, volume of 1 ml. Over here we can see the lot number and expiry date. This is a C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see we should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. Store away from direct sunlight. So they mentioned protect from light. The back side of view, volume of 1 ml. This is the overall view of this product. Here we go for summary, and also for the cat number more details, see our website for the more details. So here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Mindray product, lipids calibrator, volume of 1 ml. This is a C-certified IVD product, maintained between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. This is an overall view of this product. Thank you.